So our project is IoT based coal mine safety monitoring and controlling. Batch members are Saranan, Sanjay Kumar, Sandeep Saran. Our project guide is Mrs. M. Sakuntala, Assistant Professor, R&D Engineering College. So this is our abstract. Our aim is to monitor and control the hazards happening in coal mine areas. We will monitor using various sensors which we are being using in this project. The data are appear on web server page, and simultaneously using Zigbee transmitter module, we will transmit data from the mine section which can be monitored and immediate action will be taken to prevent major damage. We can see the hardware components one by one that we are used for this project. So this one is the Arduino Uno microcontroller. It has 14 digital input output pins, 6 analog input pins, and it is a 16 MHz quartz crystal. It simply connect it to a computer with a USB cable or power it with a AC to DC adapter or battery to get started. So this one is the Arduino Mega microcontroller. It has 54 digital input output pins, 16 analog input pins, 4 UARTs, 16 MHz crystal oscillator. It simply connected to a computer with a USB cable or power it with a AC to DC adapter or battery to get it started. This is the power board which will give power supply to all the components which we are used in this project. So this one is the fire sensor which is used to detect the fire, and this one is the accelerometer sensor which is used to monitor the status of the mine workers. This is the DHT11 sensor. It is the low cost humidity and the temperature sensor. It is used to measure the surrounding air. So in this project we have been used two gas sensors. One is MQ135 gas sensor which is used to measure the air quality, and other one is the MQ2 gas sensor which is used to detect the gases like LPG, alcohol, hydrogen, etc. This one is the IoT module, and this one is the Zigbee module which is used to transmit the data from the transmitter to the receiver. We are going to see how these sensors will work and what the exact output will be. So we are going to see the fire sensor first. We are going to place a torchlight in front of the fire sensor to detect the fire. So once the fire was detected, it will be showed in the LCD display in transmitter as well as in the receiver side. And it automatically on the gear motor. So when there was no fire, it will automatically off the gear motor and it will be displayed as fire was not detected. We are going to detect the MQ2 gas sensor. It detects the gases like LPG, alcohol, hydrogen, etc. We are used a marker to detect the gas. So once the gas was detected, it will be displayed in the LCD screen and it automatically ons the DC fan. Instead of fire extinguisher, we are used DC fan. Once there was no gas detected, it automatically offs the DC fan and display as gas was not detected. Next we are going to see the accelerometer sensor. It is used to monitor the status of the mine workers. Now it is showing as steady. When I keep it down, it will be displayed as worker fell down in transmitter side as well as in the receiver side. So using IoT model, all the data are transmitted to our web page.